Ecotourism, especially for a small country like Costa Rica that has a rich biological assets, is a very important economic force. It's a way to provide experiences to the public with nature, minimizing the impact of your activities, exposure to plants and animals. And ecotourism is more passive. It's about photography, it's about natural history, about encounters in the wild with plants and animals and creatures that you normally don't see in nature. Our station is focused on research and education. Those are the two big missions: to provide opportunities for scientists and students to do research here, as well as for courses and groups of students to learn topics that have to do with conservation, with ecology, and so on. But having these facilities in here and the trails and the access to the forest and to the animals opens up an opportunity for interested visitors and tourists to also see behind the scenes a little bit. What do the scientists do when they come to study this? Where is this information and this data coming from? The scientists that do this kind of work are very, very knowledgeable about what it means. And then you can share that information with the public through papers and articles and so on. But what if you can get the public to be part of your project, actually collect data? And by the public, I mean students, high school kids, tourists that can participate for a day, 2, 3 days in the scientific activities associated with your project and help you collect data and understand how the data is analyzed and actually get to do something about it. That's what is called now citizen science. Normal citizens, non-scientists, able to participate in scientific activities, collect real data, whether it's bird observations or phenology. Those activities can be done by non-scientists with a little bit of training and produce actual scientific data. So it's a way to bring in the community, society, into this esoteric world of the scientists that usually is kind of too complicated for people to understand, and in this day and age it's been actually an issue that the public does not understand what scientists do and then become critical out of ignorance. Citizen science brings the two together. The scientists to bring down the projects to the public to be involved in those projects, and through that you get understanding and you get progress.